whenever you have an IRS tax balance for a tax year which you never filed a tax return, it is highly likely that the IRS filed a tax return for you, and that is called a substitute for return or an SFR. The most common types of targets for an IRS SFR are those that are self-employed or have sold some kind of assets throughout the year. The IRS will just tally up all of the income, apply any payments or W-2 withholding, and then whatever balances you do owe, add interest and penalties, and send you straight to collections. The SFR process is done by either the examinations unit or an actual SFR department by the IRS. You probably have nothing to worry about if you never filed a tax year, even though you had reportable taxable income, but you did not meet the threshold to file a tax return. Because under those conditions, sometimes whatever tax withholding you might get a refund. And the IRS is not going to produce an SFR tax return that issues out a refund. They're going to do so to send you a tax bill and try to collect from you. And those that also earn W-2 wages are also on target for SFRs when you have not filed a tax return. Now, it's key to note that the IRS SFRs completely ignores any write-offs, deductions, and even the correct filing status for an SFR. They will file with whatever filing status. Typically, it's either single or married filing separate, or they may not even consider any dependents to qualify you as head of household. One of the things you have to evaluate is whether to replace that SFR tax filing with an original filing tax return or just accept that assessment by the IRS with an SFR tax return. And what I mean by this, it is very common that an older tax year for an SFR tax return has that 10-year expiration date, which is the time frame the IRS has to collect these taxes. If it's right around the corner, filing an original tax return may not be in the best interest. And instead, there could be a better tax relief program that doesn't extend the statute date, such as the currently non-collectible status or the hardship payment plans, which is key to evaluate your totality of the circumstances regarding that SFR tax return. If you found I provided value, click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I definitely got more tax relief tips coming your way. And if you're experiencing some IRS tax headaches, such as some SFR tax returns or IRS and collections, comment the word headache and I'll reach out and we could coordinate a free case review. Thanks for watching.